What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on my buddy's blue truck again here, the F-150, putting in Morimoto taillights. The stock taillights, right? If you really want to jazz them up, Morimotos are definitely the way to go. So we'll do a quick review and install on the taillights on this intro. All right, let's check these things out. Oh, they package them really good. Come all nice. Still protective coating on them. And these for the 15 through the 17 are plug and play. I don't know why I'm yelling. The 15 through the 17 are plug and play. These do fit the 18 to 20, but they you'll need an adapter cable for them. All right, so first step to taking these guys out, need an 8mm. Just 2 bolts. That's all it is. 1, 2. Then you just pull it towards you. And then you got your tail light bulbs here. You're not going to need the bulbs, but it's easier if you just twist the bulbs out first and then unplug them, I find. There we go. Install the new one. So you can peel your protective coating off of here. And then 2 connectors on the back for your 2 connectors on the truck. It's as simple as that. This one. On this truck, green connector is going to go with black, and then the tan connector is going to go with the gray. And then super simple, just tuck the wires back in here. And then pop the headlight into place. Tail light, not headlight, tail light. And then before I throw the bolts in, we're going to test them here. All right, so that's just the tail light. That's nice. That is awesome. Looks great. Testing perfect. Now we'll throw the 2 bolts in. Right there. And then this one right here. So you can use an impact to take them off, but something plastic, I never use an impact to put them back on. That looks sharp with the blue. Just snug them up. That looks real sharp with the blue. Same thing on the other side. right, guys, check this out. What a transformation. These just look so good. It's all LED as well. No more halogens left. Completely plug and play on the 15 to the 17. Check the flashers out here. Oh yeah. Those look awesome. So much better. There you guys have it. Super simple install on these taillights here. Well worth the money. Yeah, there's multiple places you can get them from. I know you can get them from AmericanTrucks.com, but so much better than the stock. I mean, just look at it, especially with this blue on this truck. So anyway, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and until we meet again, later.